or Cristiano Ronaldo is mentioned, there is hardly anyone in the world who doesn't know him. He is currently the captain of the Portugal national team. He was born on the 5th of February 1985 as the youngest of 4 children. Ronaldo's family was still in a very poor condition. His mother was a cook and his father was a gardener. Ronaldo's mother later revealed that she even tried to abort Ronaldo. It is because of unbearable poverty. Anyway, fortunately for football fans, her doctors did not agree to lose the king of the football world. Cristiano Ronaldo, who started his life with many difficulties in this way, today's assets are $600 million. The question is, what is he spending such a large amount of money on? It is a problem that everyone has in this world. That is why we thought to give you information about 10 things that are so valuable that you can't believe that he spent his wealth and bought. Number 10. The watch that entered the Guinness Book of Records. While playing for Juventus Football Club, Ronaldo has the opportunity to sign a deal worth $17 million. After spending $500,000 of this money, they decided to buy the most expensive product ever made in history. In fact, it is reported that this is recorded as a Guinness World Record. It is reported that this wristwatch called Rolex GMT Master 2 Ice is completely covered with precious diamonds, but it is on this list. This is the cheapest product available. Number 9. The most expensive engagement ring in the world. The lucky woman who claims the world's most expensive engagement ring is Georgina Rodriguez. The engagement ring he gave her in 2017 to get engaged to Cristiano Ronaldo. Georgina is worth $870,000. The most precious engagement ring given to the girlfriend is a very lovely and beautiful design. A world-famous jewelry manufacturing company based in France called Carteo created this ring because of a comment posted by Georgina showing her interest in a photo of this ring published by Carteo. Ronaldo decided to buy this precious piece for his life partner. Actually, Georgina Rodriguez is such a precious. If you say that she is a girl who is more than qualified to receive a gift, it is very correct. She is a loving wife to Ronaldo and a loving mother to his children even today. After marriage, media reports that she uses a Patek Philippe watch worth $60,000 and a diamond ring worth about $50,000. In 2021, Ronaldo himself even bought her a famous Louis Vuitton jewelry box worth $12,400,000. Today, Georgina Rodriguez's entire jewelry collection is worth approximately $4 million. Georgina Rodriguez, who currently owns jewelry worth millions of dollars, is a hard-working woman who lived a very sad life. Number 8. The fans who protect him like life. Cristiano Ronaldo is a very famous person who always loves his fans very much. He is the only player in the world who spends millions of money to save the lives of fans. At the same time that Ronaldo won his 3rd Ballon d'Or award, he got to hear some very sad news that one of his biggest fans had a rare brain tumor. It is known that a medical condition has arisen. At the same time, Ronaldo is working to donate $100,000 for the little boy's surgery. Because of that sacrifice, his family was able to save the lives of children. With this news becoming known in the media, Ronaldo's fans know that even now he is helping hundreds of needy children around the world. On another occasion, Ronaldo auctioned all the 5 Ballon d'Or awards he received and donated the money to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. That money is spent for the children suffering from deadly diseases in the world. In this way, Cristiano Ronaldo has spent millions of money on his fans. Number 7. Shoes made of diamonds. This special pair of shoes is created in the year 2017. This pair of shoes was created for Ronaldo by a designer named Daniel, who works under the Nike company. It was during this time that the CR7 Museum was opened as Ronaldo's first museum. It is produced especially for that museum. It has been introduced in 2 forms, and the CR7 logo of this shoe, which is installed in a way that reflects light in different colors, is especially indicated in this way. In this way, there are only 2 reports of diamond shoes. One of them is the American basketball player, Landos James, and the other is Michael Jordan. However, these diamond shoes designed for Ronaldo are more unique and expensive than both of them. Number 6. A floating palace. Although it is called a mansion, it is actually a luxury yacht. In 2020, Ronaldo will spend more than $7 million for this. This very luxurious yacht has 5 rooms, 6 bathrooms, a large kitchen, a gym, and all the facilities that Ronaldo needs. This is a very good investment for Ronaldo, who likes to spend more time with his family members. The other thing is that a person like him, who earns more than $2,000 an hour, does not even feel this cost. Number 5. Ronaldo's car collection. Cristiano Ronaldo has the most expensive car collection ever owned by a player. From the time when he started his journey with football in a difficult way, Ronaldo showed a special interest in cars. Accordingly, in the year 2012, Ronaldo bought a car for himself. Ronaldo's car collection, which started like that, is now worth about $30 million. This collection includes many cars of supermodels like Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Aston Martin, Benz. According to the internet, he has a tradition of buying a new car every month. For other members of the football team, this habit of his is a bit annoying. Especially in 2021, Ronaldo even missed training and participated in a Ferrari event held in Italy. Here, too, he arranged to buy a $2 million Ferrari SP1 model car. If we talk about this car, this is a very special. Someone can buy this only if the Ferrari company gives permission. However, the team members had strongly protested about missing the practice. Action was taken against him for that incident, and after a few months he started his usual hobby again. Anyway, at this time, Ronaldo is signing a $72 million deal. Ronaldo spends $600,000 to add 2 new members to his car collection. This time, he bought a Bentley and a Lamborghini. The paparazzi managed to catch Ronaldo on camera with these 2 supercars. With this incident, the manager of the Manchester United team, who recognized his abuse, forbids the team members from driving supercars until they are in the team. Later, he left that group and joined Al Nassr Group. Number 4. The most expensive plane. From the 6 points we mentioned earlier, you must have understood that Cristiano Ronaldo is a person who always tries to buy expensive things. This time, he bought the most expensive plane ever bought by a player. He is making this investment to challenge his most famous rival Messi. It is mentioned that the amount he is spending this time is $32 million, and this plane is a jet plane. The CR7 logo is specially marked. This plane is a very elegant plane, and the facilities inside the plane are at a very high level. There are facilities like Wi-Fi facilities, a dining room with a microwave oven. This plane is not the only private jet that Ronaldo owns. He owns $28 million. There are a number of other jets of value. Number 3. CR7 hotel chain. Cristiano Ronaldo is a very successful investor who has a special ability to invest in any field of his interest and earn good income from it. He started his first hotel chain called CR7 in Funchal and soon expanded it to famous cities like Lisbon, New York, and Paris. It is reported that each of these hotels cost about $40 million. Number 2. Luxury home. How much money does a person who spends millions of dollars on a wristwatch spend on his house? The first luxury house that Ronaldo bought is a 7,000-square-foot mansion. Inside this mansion are rooms and 6 bathrooms, a large gym, a movie theater, an indoor swimming pool, and many facilities such as this house have been available for millions of dollars. Worth 4, as he progresses through the football game, he manages to buy more and more expensive luxury mansions with each and every facility as his home. In 2015, Ronaldo buys a house in the United States for the first time. This $18 million I-shaped apartment is located in New York's Thirmf Tower. It consists of 3 rooms and 3 bathrooms. Number 1, Ronaldo bought an island. Although Cristiano Ronaldo bought this island, he did not buy it for his personal use. Ronaldo's sports agent announced his marriage in 2015. In fact, Jode Vandes is the biggest person behind Ronaldo's successful career. Therefore, Cristiano Ronaldo spends $50 million and buys a whole island for him by taking some of the ordinary things. So there is one thing that explains everything that we have said so far. That is, a person who has the ability to earn an unbelievable amount of income and spend that income as he pleases to live happily. A loving husband, a loving father, and yes, a man with a good heart.